Welcome to Cloud Snaps, your quick stop for DevOps and cloud learning. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful concepts in Terraform, modules. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are, how to use them, and why they're critical for scaling infrastructure the right way. So let's get started. In Terraform, a module is just a container for your Terraform code. Think of it like a folder that groups together .tf files for a particular piece of infrastructure. For example, a network module might set up your VPC, subnets, and routes. A compute module could handle EC2 instances or GCP VMS. A database module might provision RDS, Cloud SQL, or DynamoDB. Instead of copying and pasting the same code over and over, you package it into a module and simply call it whenever you need it. In short, modules equals reusable building blocks. Now let's talk about why modules matter. Reusability. Write once, use everywhere. Consistency. Teams follow the same patterns across environments. Maintainability. If something changes, you only update the module instead of 20 different projects. Scalability. Infrastructure grows and modules keep things clean and structured. It's like having Lego blocks for your cloud infrastructure. Small, reusable pieces that combine to build something big and complex. There are two main types of modules. Root module. This is your main working directory. Every .tf file you write directly in your project folder is part of the root module. Child modules. These are modules you either create yourself or download from the Terraform registry. You call them inside the root module. For example, or from the registry. This is where Terraform gets really powerful. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Thousands of pre-built modules are already available for AWS, GCP, and Azure. Every module usually has a simple structure. Main.tf arrow resources you're creating. Variables.tf arrow. Input values to make it flexible. Outputs.tf arrow. Share info back with the root module. This structure makes modules self-contained and easy to reuse. If I were to demonstrate, I'd create a modules/folder with a VPC module. Inside, define main.tf, variables.tf, and outputs.tf. In my root module, I'd call that VPC module and pass values like CIDR ranges. Then I'd run Terraform init, plan, and apply. And boom, a reusable VPC gets deployed. You can extend the same module across dev, staging, and prod by just swapping variable files. No need to rewrite the code. Before we wrap up, here are a few best practices for modules. Keep modules small and focused. One purpose per module. Use input variables with defaults to make them flexible. Always define outputs so other modules can consume info. Store modules in a GitHub repo or private registry for team collaboration, and follow semantic versioning when sharing modules with others. With these practices, your Terraform code becomes scalable, clean, and production ready. And that's everything you need to know about Terraform modules. What they are, why they matter, and how to use them effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cloud Snaps for more DevOps and Terraform content. See you in the next one.